Hey y'all, so today's Monday. I'm getting ready to head out. There's a big old blanket back here. It's always something on the sofa. Every time I vlog and I'm sitting down at the sofa, either the pillows we toss up there or one of Cam's blankets. But I'm getting ready to head to the store. So Cam's birthday is tomorrow, but everything just got thrown off. Not in regards to his birthday, but in regards to the fact that, like, 2 hours ago, I had the whole freaking security for our subdivision. Stop, Cam. Leave my purse alone. For our subdivision, knocking at my door. And it's because Clarence's car was on fire. Don't know how. He's outside now talking to the investigators because we had to call an arson investigator. But we think the kids that were outside playing were either playing with some fire or something and slipped it in his back window, because Clarence is notorious for leaving his two back windows like cracked a little bit, like that much. And we think they dropped something in it, because it was just the front seat that was on fire. And no lie, like, we're sitting here chilling. I was on break from work and I came downstairs and I was getting ready to walk outside because I was getting ready to let the dog out. And then all of a sudden, Clarence was like, "Yo, boo, come get the baby." They talking about the back of my car's on fire. I was like, "The back of your car is on fire." And sure enough, the back looked like it was on fire because that's the window that was cracked. So all of the smoke was escaping the back, but it was the front seat that was on fire. So he's out there talking to the arson people now. I got Cam with me, and when he's finished, I'm gonna get ready to run to the store. Y'all, that just ruined my day. Like, just to know that you've been violated like that somebody would be messing and touching with your car and stuff. It's like, child, like, I'm all right. Now, I'm done with y'all. Like, y'all on my nerves. Y'all on my nerves. So, yeah. I had little last minute stuff. Stop, Cameron. That I had to do for Cam's birthday anyway. I still got to pick up his cake tomorrow and stuff like that. So, we'll get there. But yeah, I just wanted to pop my head in because I don't know when I'm starting the vlog. So, yeah. And I didn't put anything up Monday. I'm not going to put a vlog up Monday. We'll just vlog this week and move from there. Like, at this point, I don't have the composure or anything or mental bandwidth to even sit here, edit something, nothing. Like, I had all intentions. I was actually going to do a sit-down quick film video and put that up for today because today's Monday. But, y'all, all my energy is drained. Like, that really threw me for a loop. So, yeah, but I'm dressed. I just have on my little windbreaker jacket. It's a little brisk out today. It's not, like, cold, but it's definitely brisk. So, Cameron, listen, you gotta quit, love. So, let me see. It's all the pillows all messed up on the sofa and stuff. Anyways, y'all, so we're just gonna sit here and wait for Daddy to finish. Maybe we can all go together. You're just gonna attack me, huh? You're just gonna attack me, huh? Yeah? Glasses? You're so cute. Can you say glasses? You silly. You silly. Can you say glasses? Say it with me. Can you say glasses? Yeah? You're such a big boy. Alright, you guys. So, this is the first time I have tried on clothes, like, in stores since COVID. But I'm really liking these. These are Old Navy boyfriend jeans. I'm not, like, I don't know if I like mom jeans or whatnot, but I like the way these fit. They're size 12. You've got, like, you know, some stretch to them. Show you guys what they're looking like this way. I got them in a 12. I normally would do maybe like a 10, but they say size up. and the boyfriend jeans. So I may get these. I may decide. I may go look. Because I kind of like them. But I kind of want some that are a little distressed. So we'll see. But yeah, I shouldn't even be in here. I just wanted to try them on. So these are the jeans that I'm wearing today. These are the Mavi Rip Denim that I'm always like linking below for you guys. So I just wanted to show you what they look like what they feel like, what they look like on, and how they fit. But I love these. If you got any kind of curvature or anything, these are perfect. They're a little pricey. They're like $100. I think mine were like $118, but they're good. And I mean, I was able to wear these throughout my pregnancy, and I've had them for like two years, so they're really good. And of course, this is the jacket that I'm wearing with this. So easy peasy. This is my favorite little mom attire or whatnot, but I love this jacket per usual. Oh y'all, today's Cam's birthday. I am, the wind and the pollen and just all of it. I'm headed to get the balloons and to pick up the cake. Y'all, my car is covered in pollen. I really want to go get it washed. Oh, goodness gracious, girl. It's one of them days for me. Child, when I tell y'all, we've been through it. Understand me? It's too much. Like, Clarence's car looks atrocious. Like, they had to bust out the window. His car was literally on fire. Like, Craig, my mind is still blown on that one. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yeah. So, let me start the car. Child. Let's get out here. Yeah, y'all. So that's what's going on. I am not dressed for the day. I actually just have on some jeans, my little Walmart faux Birkins, and a t-shirt from being on Caden's PTA. That's my mom texting Cam, happy birthday. Look at all the pollen on my back window, y'all. And a bird decided that he was gonna shit back there. So the disrespect is so real, honey. So we about to head to pick up these damn balloons first. I picked up 2 of the gifts that I got for Cam yesterday. They're really from Caden. Caden told me what he wanted to get him, and so I went and picked that up. And then the 2 gifts that I ordered for him came this morning, as a matter of fact. So he's already opened those. When I left the house, he was actually playing with them. He got this little activity set and a race car and this little like balloon ball toy thing. That's what I got for him. Then Clarence got him a couple of things and some clothes, a couple toys. So that's how that went. So he is playing with all his little birthday toys and stuff now while I run out and do this errand. And then after that, I'm gonna get everybody dressed and we are going to have lunch at this place called Sugar Factory. So I'm really excited about that. It seems like it's gonna be a good time. And Cam likes going out to eat. He's only been out to eat like 2 or 3 times, but every time we go he has a really good time. He likes to sit up and eat and all that stuff, so I think that's gonna be fun. Yeah, and we're just still, not heartbroken, but just like, what the fuck could have possibly happened with Clarence's car yesterday? The reason the motherfucker was on fire. So the arson people came out, they made their projections and things like that. So I don't know, we'll get that figured out, but I will see y'all when we get, probably to do the cake, because this balloon pickup is going to be fairly quick. I actually pre-ordered them, so it should be an in and out thing. I pre-ordered the cake too, but this should be really easy, really in and out. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Say hi. It's your birthday. Hi. Oh, you're so sweet. So we're getting dressed and ready. We're about to go to this place called Sugar Factory to eat. And it has like candy and all this kind of stuff. I did pick up Kim's cake. I'll show it to you guys when we like sing and all of that. Yeah, we're just getting ready for the day. I'm about to get him dressed, put him down because he is heavy. I just got out of the shower, I let my hair down, and yeah, that's it. Just want to check in. Big old dog. Oh, that's one of like a bike one, I guess. Looky. Yeah. Yay. All right, y'all. So we just had dinner at Sugar Factory. It was really, really good. I've been sipping on Babe's cocktail on our way back to the car. There's Cam. It's his party. He'll cry if he wants to. And Kaden enjoyed himself as well. So this was so much fun. We had a really, really good time. And so we're gonna go back home and do cake thingies. Sugar coat. Ooh. I bet you they do bomb nails.
Okay, we out of here. Guys, let's run before she starts getting on her nail stuff.
Oh my god.
You got 2 people on here.
I saw that. Did you see that? I saw that too.
What's up, bud? How you doing? Good, man. All right, bud.
I saw that too.
What's the name? That Black Connection.
I see, because y'all both saw each other. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Yeah, the connection. All right, bro. You get together.
No, not really.
No. Right then.
My outfit is cute, but y'all can't even see it because
Mine is.
nobody want to take a picture.
Mine is cool. My outfit is cool.
We get on the street,
Basically. So, Cam's cakes. So this is his smash cake. And then this is his birthday cake. A little Mickey Mouse birthday cake. Cameron. So excited. And I picked up a candle that we're going to put when we sing happy birthday. But I just wanted to share his cake really quick. I love it. I thought they did an amazing job. I went with Publix, as I do every year for everybody's birthday. But I think they did a good job. And Caden's first birthday, I went with the Mickey Mouse theme as well. So, yes, we're loving it. So when we sing happy birthday, we'll get together.